Good morning, students. Yesterday I gave a worksheet. Now I am going to explain the worksheet. In that first one, a player completes a circular path of radius r in 40 seconds. Okay, in 40 seconds. Okay, at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds, find the displacement. A player takes 20 seconds to complete the one round. Sorry, 40 seconds he complete the one round. So a radius of the circle is given, that is the starting point. For example, A is the starting point. Now a player takes 40 seconds to complete the one circular path. For one round, he takes 14 seconds. For one round, he takes 40 seconds to complete the circular path. Okay. For one round, time equal to 40 seconds. At the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds, find the displacement. He takes for one round, he takes 40 seconds. So find the number of rounds in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. First time convert into seconds. That is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes convert into seconds. That is 120 seconds. Plus here 20 seconds, that equal to 140 seconds. But it takes for completely one round, it takes 40 seconds. So here time t equal to 140 seconds. We can write here 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 20 equal to 140. For 40 seconds, it takes one round. Plus for 40 seconds, one more round. For 40 seconds, one more round. For 20 seconds, half circle. That equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 and half. 3 plus 1 by 2. That equal to 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. Here n equal to how much? Number of rounds equal to 7 by 2. If we know that, we can write here 1 by 2 into 7. 1 by 2 into 7 is equal to 7 by 2. For 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 7. So for half circle, we know that displacement equal to 2 into r. 2 into radius. So here r is given, r equal to capital R, radius equal to small r. Therefore, displacement equal to 2 into r. It is the displacement. Okay. Next one. Second one. A body goes 20 kilometers north and 10 kilometers due to east. Find the displacement of a body from its starting point. So question number 2. Question number 2. A body goes 20 kilometers north and then 10 kilometers due to east. The displacement of the of a body from its starting point. From its starting point is, listen to the it is the directions east, west, north, south. Now the body goes 20 kilometers north. The body goes 20 kilometers north. 20 kilometers and 10 kilometers due to east. It is 10 kilometers. 20 kilometers north and 10 kilometers east. What is the starting point here? A, B, C. A is the starting point. C is the ending point. So what is the displacement from its starting point? So what is meant by displacement? The shortest distance between the initial and final point is called displacement. So here A is the starting point and C is the ending point. So it is the displacement. It is the displacement. So it is look like a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, here displacement equal to displacement here AC. At the same time we can write here S bar also. S bar means it is a vector quantity. Here our aim is to find the displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. So we can write here displacement S bar equal to AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is the AB here? AB equal to 20 kilometers, 20 whole square, plus BC equal to 10 kilometers, 10 square. That equal to here 400 plus 100. 20 square equal to 400 and 10 square equal to 100. So here AC whole square equal to 100 kilometers. Therefore AC or displacement equal to root 500 kilometers. That is 22.36 kilometers. It is the displacement. It is the displacement. Okay. Next. A man walks 4 meters towards north and 3 meters towards east, and then he climbs a pole of 12 meters height. Then find the total distance or total displacement. So here a man, question number 3. A man walks 4 meters towards north and towards north. The 3 meters towards east. And he climbs a pole of 12 meters. 12 meters height. Okay. Okay, what is the distance here? It is the diagram east, west, north, south. A man walks 4 meters towards north. 4 meters. Okay. Next 3 meters east. And he climbs a pole of 12 meters height. It is 12 meters height. So A is the starting point. B, C, it is D. Here distance equal to, what is mean by distance? The length of the path traveled by a body is called distance. So what is the length of the path here? Yes, distance equal to AB plus BC plus CD. So what is AB here? A to B length equal to 4 meters plus B to C equal to 3 meters plus C to D equal to 12 meters. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 12, that is 19 meters. Next one is distance. So from this diagram, the body is moving from A to B, means north, and again B to C, that is east, and again 12 meters climbs a height of 12 meters. So here displacement equal to displacement. S bar equal to, you can write here root of x square plus y square plus z square, that is x means here 4, 3, 12 square. So that means here 4 square, 3 square plus 12 square. Okay, that is 16, 9 plus 144. So S bar equal to root of total 169. So S bar equal to 13 meters. So your displacement equal to 13 meters. Displacement equal to 13 meters. Next one is fourth one. A body is moving along the circumference of the circle of radius r and completes the half of the revolution. Then find the distance and the displacement. Here completes half of the round means n equal to 1/2 rounds. N equal to 1/2 rounds and the radius equal to r is given. So if n equal to 1/2, if n equal to 1/2, then distance equal to n into 2 pi r. If a body is moving on a circular path, distance, find the distance. So distance equal to n into 2 pi r. Here n means number of revolutions. How many times here? 1/2 times into 2 into pi means here 22/7. So r equal to radius. Now what is n here? 1/2. Into 2 into pi r. So here 2 get cancelled. Remain value pi r. So S equal to pi r. Now displacement. If a body is moving in a circular path, 1/2 times or 3/2 or 5/2 or 7/2 times, then S bar equal to 2 into r. That is 2r. So displacement equal to 2r. So find the ratio between displacement to distance. That means here S bar is to S. That is 2r is to pi r. So here r get cancelled. Here r get cancelled. Remain value 2 is to pi. That is displacement under distance. Okay, next one. A body completes one round of circular path of radius in 20 seconds. Displacement of the body after 45 seconds. After 45 seconds. Question number 5. A body completes one round circular path of radius r, here radius equal to r, and t is given that equal to 20 seconds. If a body takes 20 seconds, here the body takes 20 seconds to complete the one round, means n equal to 1. If n equal to 1, then t equal to how much? Then t equal to 20 seconds. N equal to 1, then t equal to 20 seconds. So here time is given 45 seconds. N equal to how many times? Means how many times it is revolving in a circular path? If t equal to 45, so 45 seconds. So we can write here 45, 20 plus 5. For 20 seconds he completes one round. 1 plus, here also 1 plus. Here divided into 4 equal parts. It is a circle. For one round means A is the starting point, A is the ending point. If a body starts from A and reach the point A again, it completes one round. It takes 20 seconds around. So that means here 5 seconds, here also 5 seconds, here also 5 seconds. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4. For 5 seconds, he completes 1 by 4 rounds. That is 2 plus 1 by 4, that equal to here n equal to 9 by 4. If n equal to 9 by 4, if a body moves in a circular path n equal to 1 by 4 times, then displacement equal to 2 r into root 2. R into root 2. Okay, so here displacement equal to displacement. It is a formula. If a body completes 1 by 4 times, 3 by 4 times, 5 by 4 times, then displacement equal to how much na? R into root 2. It is a displacement. If n equal to 9 by 4, then distance equal to s equal to again n into 2 pi r. So what is n here? N equal to 9 by 4 into 2 into pi r. To 1 here, to 1 here, 4.5. So that is 4.5 into pi r. It is the distance. Displacement equal to r into root 2. R into root 2. Okay. Next one. Question number 6. If the distance between the sun and earth is 1.5 into 10 power. Okay. Question number 6. If the distance between the sun and earth is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters and the speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, then the time taken by light ray to reach the earth from the sun is, question number 6, distance is given. The distance between the earth and sun is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters. We can write here 15 into 10 power 10 meters also. It takes at the same time speed of the light is given, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then find the time. So here V equal to S by Tm. V equal to S by t. V equal to s by t. From this equation you can write here t equal to s by v. Here t equal to s by v. So what is s here? S equal to 15 into 10 power 10 meters by v. V equal to here 3 into 10 power 8. Okay, 3 ones here, 3 5s. Okay, you can write here 5 into 10 power 8. Sorry, 5 into 10 power 10 minus 8. 10 power 8 coming to minus 1. So here 10 power 10 minus 8, that is equal to 5 into 10 power 2 seconds. We can write here 500 seconds. Here t equal to 5 seconds. The light ray takes 500 seconds to reach the earth from the sun. Okay, next one. If a body covers first half of the journey with uniform speed v1 and the second half of the journey with uniform speed v2, then the average speed is, so your direct formula yesterday I explained. If a body covers two equal distances with two different speeds, then average speed is s1 equal to s by 2 and s2 also s by 2 with different speeds v1 and also v2. If a body covers two equal distances with two different speeds, then average speed equal to v average equal to 2 into v1 into v2 by v1 plus v2. v1 plus v2. Okay. Next question number 8. Question number 8. Rajdhani Express moves with a speed of 120 km per hour. How long will it take to cover a distance of 15 kilometers? Here v is given, that is 120 kilometer per hour. And next one, s is given, previous problem model 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers, then find t equal to how much? So v equal to s by t and t equal to s by v. T equal to s by v. So here t equal to, what is s here? S equal to 15 kilometers. S equal to 15 kilometers by 120 hours. 120 hours. Hours converted into minutes somehow because of answers given in minutes. So t equal to 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we can write here 15 into 60 minutes by 120. So here 0 0 get cancelled. 6 ones here, 6 twos, 2 ones here, 2 7.5. So here t equal to 7.5 minutes. T equal to 7.5 minutes. Okay, next one. A car is moving at a speed of 15 meters per second. In how much time it covers a distance of 1.2 kilometers. So here question number 9. Question number 9. V is given that is 15 meter per second. At the same time, distance S is given 1.2 kilometers, but answer is given in seconds. So that's why kilometer change into meters. We know that 1 km, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Therefore, S equal to here 1.2 into 1000 meters. Okay, so that equal to 1200 meters. So S is here 1200 meters. Okay, so S equal to 100 meters. Then T equal to how much? So V equal to S by T. T equal to S by V. What is S here? 1200 meters by V. 15 meter per seconds. Okay, that equal to 80 seconds. That equal to 80 seconds. If T equal to 80 seconds. T equal to 80 seconds. Okay. Next one, question number 10. Question number 10. A bus is moving at 20 meter per second. How much distance in kilometers will the bus covers in 20 minutes? Okay. So here V is given 20 meter per second. So convert into kilometer per hour. 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. The place of meter per second we can substitute 18 by 5. Therefore V equal to here 20 into 18 by 5. 5 once here 5 4 20. So V equal to 4 into 18. That is 72 kilometer per hour. Okay. Next one, time is given. T is given, that is 25 minutes. Convert into hours. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. At the same time, 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hours. 1 by 60 hours. Therefore, here T equal to 25 into 1 by 60. 25 into 1 by 60. Okay. So here you can write here 25 by 60 hours. Our aim is to find the S equal to how much in kilometers. So you know that S equal to V into T. Distance equal to speed into time. What is the speed here? 72 into 25 by 60. Okay. 12 table of 12 5s, 12 6, 5 1s here, 5 5s. So here S equal to 6 into 5, that is 30 kilometers. S equal to how much? 30 kilometers. It is the yesterday's worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.